Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're taking a closer look at the Peugeot 408, a car that's turning heads and raising eyebrows in equal measure. Is it a sedan? Is it an SUV? Well, it's kind of both, and that's what makes it so intriguing. Let's start with the looks. The 408 is like that cool kid at school who always stood out from the crowd. It's got a sleek, low-slung profile that screams sporty sedan, but then you notice the muscular wheel arches and raised ride height, and suddenly you're thinking SUV. Up front, Peugeot's signature fang-like daytime running lights give it a fierce expression, while the body-colored inserts in the grille add a touch of class. It's a head-turner, no doubt, but some might find the design a bit busy. When it comes to engines, you've got options. There's a 1.2-liter petrol that's decent enough, but the real interest is in the two plug-in hybrids. These offer impressive fuel economy. We managed about 51 mpg in mixed driving and low emissions, which is great news for company car drivers. Just keep in mind that the non-hybrid petrol version actually rides a bit more comfortably. Now let's hop inside. Wow, Peugeot has really stepped up its game here. The interior is seriously plush, with high-quality materials everywhere you look and touch. It's giving some premium brands a run for their money. The star of the show is the 10-inch infotainment system. It's crisp, responsive, and comes with these cool, customizable shortcut buttons that make life so much easier. Plus, you get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Nice! But how practical is it? Well, it's a bit of a mixed bag. Up front, you've got loads of space and clever storage solutions. The back seats offer plenty of legroom, but taller passengers might find their heads brushing the roof thanks to that sloping design. The boot's a good size though, 536 liters in the petrol version, which is enough for a couple of big suitcases and then some. Just keep in mind that if you go for a hybrid model, you'll lose some of that space to the batteries. On the road, the 408 might surprise you. Despite its size, it handles corners pretty well thanks to a stiff suspension setup, but there's a trade-off. The ride can be a bit firm, especially around town, and at higher speeds, there's more road noise than we'd like. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth noting. Safety-wise, the 408 comes well equipped. You get lane keep assist and automatic emergency braking as standard, with fancier features like adaptive cruise control available on higher trims. It's worth noting though that it scored 4 out of 5 stars in Euro NCAP testing, which is good, but not class-leading. Now let's talk money. The 408 starts at just over £30,000, which isn't cheap, but for that, you're getting a car that really stands out from the crowd. It's stylish, well-equipped, and offers something genuinely different in a market full of similar-looking SUVs and sedans. So who is the Peugeot 408 for? If you want a family car that turns heads, has a premium-feeling interior, and offers good tech and practicality, it could be right up your street. Just make sure you take it for a test drive to see if you can live with that firm ride and road noise. That's it for our look at the Peugeot 408. What do you think? Is this sedan SUV mashup a stroke of genius or a step too far? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews. Until next time, happy driving. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.